How to choose an AWS profile when using boto3 to connect to CloudFront. I am using the boto3 Python library and want to connect to AWS CloudFront. I need to specify the correct AWS profile, AWS credentials, but looking at the official documentation, I see no way to specify it. I am initializing the client using the code client equals boto3.client CloudFront. However, this results in it using the default profile to connect. I couldn't find a method where I can specify which profile to use.
I think the docs aren't wonderful at exposing how to do this. It has been a supported feature for some time, however, and there are some details in this pull request. So there are 3 different ways to do this. Option A, create a new session with a profile. Option B, change the profile of the default session in code. Option C, change the profile of the default session with an environment variable.
This section of the boto3 documentation is helpful. Here's what worked for me. Do this to use a profile with name dev.
Just add profile to session configuration before client call. boto3.session.session profile _ name equals your _ profile _ name .client CloudWatch.